It's cool when I'm the guest. Your shirt is red, and otherwise it was green when I was the host.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you were a green shirt, now you're red. Yes, sir. Let's do it. Yeah, I like to slow down.
Take that, crude mannequin.
Oh, that hit a lot harder. Dude, you're the company magician. I'm the company idiot.
Hear that?
Hear
That's
that?
our birds. You've packed some arrows, haven't you?
Oh, shitty. Let's do it. I dude, look at me. Yeah, I went back to old school.
You did?
I did. That bow, oh, shit. Dude, I hit him in the ice arm and it didn't hurt him. That's awesome. Oh, shit. Oh, he made like a shield.
What's going on?
Yeah, those damn, that electricity. Oh, big boy coming down behind him. Big berserker. Oh, here he comes. Shit. Dude, I'm out of arrows. Let's do it. Come on, big boy. Oh, we wrecked him. Damn, I'm out of arrows.
I can't go over there.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, you're still shooting. Oh, you're still alive.
There's a force field. There's a force field over there.
Is it like
change over here?
Is it an icy one? Try to break it.
Well, I can't. Well, that's fine now, but.
Oh, okay. Hello there.
Hello. Can anybody hear me?
Fucking everybody can hear you, dude. That shit is so loud. That's awesome.
Reminds me of Titanic.
Yeah, straight up. Oh shit. Here we go. Long shot. Dude, look at him throwing poison. What is that? It's a bird.
It's a bird.
It was a bird. I got a real good look at it too. Dude, yeah, the game's running so much better. Oh, that was sweet. Dude, did you see that crit? Dude, upgrading shit is where it's at. Alright. I hear this damn crow. Oh!
Burst.
The blue lights at the crows, J-Man. I think we gotta go kill them crows. And then just...
I want to see what's up here first.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh, big boy! Oh! Where was he hiding? Oh, we wrecked him. Look at...
Alright.
He's just hanging out over here by himself, taking a break. Boom, 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 boom. I hear them crows. Them crows are crowing. Oh, here's the stairs. I get one. Bastards. Is there an arrow bucket? Hell yeah, there's an arrow bucket. Give me some arrows. Flame on! One down. Two down. Uh-oh, here he comes. Oh, shit. Oh, there's a lot of them. Back up. Yep, yep. Oh, smoked us. I can't see shit. Here we go. Got it.
Barrel. Alright.
Should we do it? Oh, you see that shit? He just went flying. We got one more crow, J-Man. Oh, nailed him. That was a shot and a shot. Oh. What? Where's my arrows? Oh, I'm out. Nice.
Coin.
Coin. Where'd you go? Oh, up top. They're coming down from the airships.
Oh, crap.
Oh, we messed him up. Ooh, he's got a magic spell. Dude, I need more arrows. That's what I gotta upgrade. I keep running out. Whoa, shit. His body's going crazy. Here we go. Whoa, shit. Nice, nice. Very nice. Let me get some of that.
These orcs have no idea what's coming for them.
Sweet.
What's that down there at the bottom?
What do you got?
Dragon? Scroll of dragon breath?
Oh, dude, that's my favorite, to be honest with you.
Is it?
Yeah, you turn it on and then you just look at people and they die. Dude, the soundtrack to this game is just epic.
I think I'm lost.
Dude, I'm following you. Don't say that. Where did you
Oh,
go?
wrong way.
Ooh, is it? What the hell is that? Do you see that?
Hello!
Oh, there you
Can
are.
anybody hear me?
Oh, he did a shield spell. There we have it. Good shit, good shit. Yeah, I need to upgrade my arrow count. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Are you up top?
Yes, sir.
You are.
Yes, sir. Zooming. Let's see, barrels. Let's see, we killed the crows, so this should be the way out, I'd reckon.
There's
Hey,
a
was that
chest
a
down
chest?
there.
I'm pretty sure I just saw a chest.
Oh, yep, right there's one. I hear him.
Oh, above
Are they
us.
behind us? Oh, shit. I shot him in the nuts. Ooh, I just got smoked. Nice. Dude, you're good with that freaking magic, man. I couldn't figure that stuff out. Oh, the crits, man. Oh, look at the size of this dude. Jeez Louise. Bam, volley to the head and he's still going. Dude, I nailed him in the face with that volley. Oh, got him. Big money crystal over here. Yep, yep. Don't forget to get this crystal, Jay, man. Big money.
Oh, yep.
Dude, there's a force field around you. Did you do that spell? XP book. There was like a force field. What's this scroll I got?
For real?
Healing spray. Whoops. Wait a minute, where are you at? Let's see if this works on you. Oh, shit, there you are. Healing spray. Do you feel better? You feel better, right? Yeah, you feel better.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit, man. Oh, I got a chest down here.
There's one nearby. We'll find out.
You look better. That's what you look better. Did you a little
Scroll.
Yep, what do I got? I got healing spray again.
Scroll of meteor.
What? That's got to be crazy. Oh, they're coming in.
What's the scroll? How do you use the scroll?
On your right hip, you can reach down and grab the scroll, and then you just kind of like throw it underhand like a softball at them, and it just goes crazy depending on what scroll you got.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. It's pretty sweet. What am I got? Yeah, I got healing spray again. Alright. Dude, yeah, that dragon breath, like, that was the one time I was able to pick you up is because I used dragon breath and freaking killed.
Oh, really?
Oh, dude, it's such a good spell. I bet meteor's wicked.
That's the portal right there. Let's see if we can fire it
I tell you what, if ever there was a time to use meteor, this might be it. This might be the time. She's all yours, J-Dog.
Here we go.
Let's do it. Oh, dude, 1, 2. I got 3 going.
What? 3?
Yeah, 3 plus probably the
And-
skyship. Yep, here they come. I hit him. Shit. Oh, you bastard. Oh, look at these guys. Where are they going? Whatever. Oh, there's a dude with a chibi. I got him. Dude, I'm getting hit. I'm getting chewed up, brother. There was a scroll there. Heal myself. Oh, shit. Going ham. I'm going ham. I'm getting out of here. Look at them all. Get that scroll up meteor. Nice, dude. Oh, we're getting them now. Oh, yeah. Came to the wrong party. The portal's ready, Jay. Oh. Dude, sword for the win. Get him. Oh, he hit me. We got more coming from above. Nice, dude. Holy shit. Woo. Dude. I got...
We could have both been orcs in the past.
Now that's a lot of score. See? Wait, whose is whose? Okay, I got 852. See, when we went in there, I told myself, as long as I get 850, I'm doing all right, you know? Because I mean... Because what does that mean? Honestly, you're way better with that than I am.
Maybe I use this and you finish them off.
It was working. It was definitely working. Did you upgrade it yet or no?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah? I was gonna say, it looked like you were doing work. I got
See if I have any more.
I got level 7 with my whirlwind sword. What money do I got? 652.
Bolt damage, bolt speed,
Shark
max
ship.
charge.
Uncommon with the whirlwind.
Damage.
Hey, real quick. What the hell? You know what though? A couple of these weapons, Jay, are like, they're for sale for like $1,000. I might actually save up a couple dollars. See if I can't buy some shit.
I keep on upgrading.
Yeah, dude, I upgraded the whirlwind swords one time. It was like night and day. Night and day.
Really?
Oh, dude. I was just going to town. Just, it's like I was making lunch. Yeah, it was good shit.